Is Facebook denying monetization over policy violations? Here's the appeal strategy that works. Is this your first violation or repeat offense? Let me know in the comments below. First, delete all flagged content immediately. Disputing keeps you in violation status. Post 10 original text posts. Non-video content get reviewed faster. Comment actively on popular pages. Facebook rewards community engagement. Monetize a Facebook story first, as they have lower violation threshold. Still blocked? Complete business verifications. It unlocks human reviews. Are you back earning? Let me know in the comments below. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.